Hey guys, I'm Cody from Hybrid Racing, and today we're going to be installing the short shifter on the 11th Gen Civic. Today in our install, you're going to need a couple of tools, a panel tool, a magnetic tipped Phillips No. 2 screwdriver, and a ratchet with a 10mm socket and a long extension. Step 1, we're going to remove the shift knob. Pull down on the boot collar and twist the knob off. Step 2, we're going to pry under the console here. And then pull upwards all the way around. Once you get to this step, just pull back. And under here, you have a few clips. Unplug these two buttons, one for the parking brake and one for the drive mode. Rotate the console out of the way. Okay, once the console is in this position, you'll have more harness clips to unplug. Alright, depending on the trim, you may have a harness underneath here for the wireless charger for the smartphones. You will need to unplug that also. Okay, remove the rubber insert by pulling up on the tab. Okay, next, using your screwdriver, remove the two screws inside the console. Next, we're going to remove the cup holders. Just pull up gently on the sides and you should be able to unclip the cup holders. This is where the magnetic tip screwdriver comes in handy. You have to remove the two screws at the bottom of this console underneath the cup holders. Alright, next we're going to remove the two screws up by the dash. Alright, the next one will be this clip here. Next we're going to remove the wiring harness from the shifter. To disconnect the harness, there's one clip here. Squeeze the two pins and it'll just pull out, and then same from this harness here. It's going to be a little tough. You may want to use a trim tool. We're going to remove the large console in the middle. First pull back and then lift out. It's going to go out the rear of the car. Okay, next we're going to disconnect the cables from the shifter. First, we need to pull these clips apart here. While pulling those apart, slide down, and then it comes unclipped there. Next, we're going to remove the left-right side. One trick is to just rotate the clip 90 degrees, and then the cable just comes unclipped. We're going to pull this clip back. That allows us to rotate this black portion. It is spring loaded, so just be careful. You twist it a few turns, hold it, and then slide the cable out. Alright, we're going to do the same thing for the front back cable. Pull up on the white clip and rotate the black portion. Okay, next, once you have your shifter cables disconnected, remove the 4 mounting screws. These are 10mm. Once you have the 2 removed here, you have 2 more in the front. It makes it a little easier on the left-right side. So next, once you have everything disconnected, lift the shifter and remove the shifter. Next, we're going to install the Hybrid Racing short shifter. Using the supplied hardware, mount the shifter starting with this hole here on the driver's side. Starting with the bolt closest to the driver, tighten to 7 foot-pounds. Next, go to the passenger side and torque the bolts to 7 foot-pounds. Next, install the shifter cables. Attach the shifter cable to the front rocker. Repeat this process on the driver's side. And attach the cable. Our Hybrid Racing short shifter is shipped in the #1 presets for the left, right, and the front back throw. These are our recommended settings for a stock SI, Sport, or Type R car. If you would like to have a shorter throw, just remove the cables, remove the clips on the back side of the pins, unscrew the pins, and go down to position #2, and that will shorten up your throw. Okay. Next, we're going to install the shift rod and the offset. Position it on top of the shifter. On the top of our shifters, we have etched a pattern. On this pattern is a dot that lines up with the notch in the offset, and this is our recommended setting for a 22 plus Civic. Tighten your offset with a 5mm Allen. At this stage of the install, place a shift knob on the shifter and make sure that the shifter goes through each gear smoothly, and don't forget about reverse. Once you have done this, remove the shift knob and reinstall your console using all factory hardware, and your install is complete. Hey guys, thanks for following along today with our install. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@hybridracing.com.